Hi guys, today I'm showing you this gazebo, and this is a very nice gazebo to have like in your house, just to put for some shade or some party or some meetup. So you can see this gazebo came in good metal frame, and then all the accessories came in the unboxing thing. There's a bag too, so I will show you things one by one. So these are the sandbox, these are the covers and the walls, and these are the on this is the main frame. So the basic thing for installation is that you need to open it up like this and set it up on the corner where you want to get it up, and then you have to put the fabric on the top of it in a way on the four corners and on the center. This is a waterproof fabric, so this is nice that for the rain and other things as well. So after setting this up, you have to stretch it, and there is a screw on the top, so this thing here will stick to it, so this will hold this whole frame. So from all four corners you have to do this so that uh, the things will get into the socket. This is the different height that you can adjust for the frame, and this is very solid. I'm just shaking it and then trying to hang on it, and this looks really straight and solid. So the frame is very sturdy, and it comes with the nails as well. These nails can stick and dig into the ground so that it will hold up. So either you can put this nail here so that holds the four corners, and then the wall thing. So for the walls, this fabric have the velcro. You can adjust the velcro on the frame and on the side. These are the sand box that comes with it. You can put in the sands and put it all the corners to give is more weight for holding of this gazebo in the ground. So it's a velcro and the hook, so you can just put it there like this, and then you can put sand in it to hold it well. So this is the whole setup with the walls and the doors with the gazebo. It looks really nice. So from the sun, UV protected, waterproof, and the fabric. So initially you feel is because it opens up from the package, but after keeping in the environment, everything looks really nice. So here on the center you can see that it holds really well. Now the other thing is this elastic stretch that you can put on each of this frame, so that it will hold it well from the top as well. So I put all from the corners and then on the stretchy labels and elastic bands. So there is a rope that you can fix on the frame, and then on the nail you can dig it in the ground to make it more sturdy. So here you can put the rope and the nail like that, or you can put in the four corners. So this is, you can adjust the door the way you want to give a really nice look. You can have two walls or one wall or three walls. It's all up to you what design you want. So if I remove the walls, the main gazebo thing will looks like this, and you can enjoy in any weather and any time wherever you want with this gazebo. So it's a nice thing that can pass air and wind with no walls. So, and you can see the frame sturdiness and all the roof and things, how this looks. And once you're done, you can also pack it up in this supplied bag. So there is a very nice waterproof bag that you can put everything inside. It also have the wheels in it, and it's pretty easy to carry with the wheels on this bag. So just put everything in, and you can just zip it. It have a zipper, and it have wheels or handles, so it's pretty easy in that way as well. So if you want to pack it up, and then just hold it and take on the wheel. Here you go.